The AI revolution is driving an industrial build-out of data centers far beyond what the world has ever seen. And the components that go into them have started to see huge surges in demand. Fiber optics, little strands of glass that transmit light, have been carrying data between servers for a long time. But a fundamental shift is about to happen. AI data centers are about to start using light to communicate inside each server. Why? It's basically because the new AI chips will be so much faster than the current ones that electrical signals sent through copper wires won't be precise enough to handle the chip-to-chip communication anymore. This is driving a switch from electricity, electrons, to light, photons, to send messages between them. This is called photonics, and it dramatically multiplies how much optical content sits inside every AI system. Photonics is still a young industry, with the majority of the supply chain in a small handful of companies. The Reserve AI Photonics DTF, which uses the ticker PHOTON, is a publicly investable basket built around precisely these companies. We built the PHOTON DTF because many respected voices are excited about this category. With Goldman Sachs analysts forecasting 10x growth in the demand for optical components in AI data centers over 2 years as NVIDIA builds out its next-generation Rubin Ultra compute platform, it's easy to see why photonics companies have started to get so much attention. The PHOTON DTF gives you direct exposure to a weighted basket of publicly traded US photonics companies with no minimum or maximum purchase size, making it a straightforward way to get exposure to the whole category. Keep in mind that nothing in this video is investment advice. We are not a regulated financial intermediary, and it's up to you to decide whether to purchase any of the assets offered on the Reserve platform, all of which may lose value. Welcome to the world of DTFs on Reserve. See you on chain.